Just a quick update, but we've just landed in Orlando airport, feeling very rough. Just look around at the face, you've got the Palmer breeze over there. All stress and go right now, but I thought I'd just update you that we're here. So we are in room 1165 and it is just how I remember it, like last time. This is crazy to think that it's exactly the same. Beautiful. 2 doubles, lovely stuff. And then in here, if I can find the light, is the bathroom. Excuse the mess, I'm looking very worn out. Long day travelling. And then in here is the toilet and the shower. Lovely stuff. My mum and dad are next door and everyone else I think are in a different block. But yeah, we're gonna go meet up with everyone now in the bar. I think we're just waiting on 2 of my cousins to arrive. They shouldn't be too much longer. And yeah, let the holiday begin. But we're all very tired today, but let the holiday begin. Good morning, or should I say afternoon, because it is 12 right now. But basically we are in sunny Florida. So, oh, someone just gone past. So excited to be back. I cannot even tell you. Yeah, it feels a bit surreal really, coming back 8 years later to, especially to like the exact same hotel. Like, it's not very often that I've done that in my life, gone back to the exact same hotel, so that really does feel a bit surreal. But basically, what a day yesterday. We drove up Wednesday evening after work and stayed in the travel lodge near Heathrow Airport, and we had a decent sleep. To be fair, we went out for food and then had a decent night's sleep, and then woke up. I woke up at 7 just because like I had loads that I still needed to sort out, so I just wanted to make sure everything was done. So woke up at 7, and then we was leaving the hotel by maybe like 9ish, and yeah, our flight was 1:45. So by the time we checked in and everything, which there was a massive queue for, yeah, we didn't really have much time. We were straight onto the plane. We flew with Virgin Atlantic. All was good, nice food, not, you know, not too bad. But we did hit some really bad turbulence. I mean, I can't say I've ever really truly experienced like proper turbulence. Like, I've had a little bit, but nothing really. Like, and that was, I'm not gonna lie, a little bit scary. There were a few people crying. It was not ideal, and it did seem to last a little while, so that was not ideal. But yeah, you know, we came through it, we were all right. Then we landed in Atlanta because we didn't have a direct flight. We had a connecting flight, so we landed in Atlanta, and by the time we collected our bags and checked in and all that again, and did whatever we needed to do, it was time to get on the next flight, which was Delta, and that was literally an hour's flight. In fact, it wasn't even that, it was like 57 minutes. It was crazy. I was very impressed with that flight. We had a screen, there was a lot of selection of films on there. They came around and we had a lovely Biscoff cookie, what they call it, which is just a biscuit, but it was bigger than our biscuits back home. And yeah, we had a water and tea and coffee, and before we knew it, we had landed in sunny Florida, although it was night time at that point. And yeah, by the time we had collected our bags and got our transfer, I think we got here for about, what, John, what time did we get here last night? 10. John's in 10, roughly somewhere around there. So yeah, we just chucked our bags up in the room and met everyone downstairs, and we all had a little drink. Then we popped over the road to Miller's Ale House, had a little snack in there. I had a nice mozzarella dippers. What did you have, Jordan? There he is, say hello.
Hello, from Florida.
And yeah, oh, and here's father. Say hello. And yeah, here's mum and dad.
Go like that.
Everyone say hello.
Hello, Florida.
We finally arrived. So yeah, they had a Philly cheese steak, and was that nice, guys, last night?
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, everyone enjoyed. Then we came back and slept. I've been up since 8:30, I think, just from the time difference. And I unpacked, and then I find out that we want to move. Isn't that right?
Well, if you can, yes.
Yeah.
It's a little bit noisy, but
Yeah, because we are right on the bottom by the road. So if we can, we're hoping to move. But we do get internet in this block, so that is a plus. But yeah, I think today we're having a bit more of a chill day. We're going to head over to Walmart and stock up on some essentials, and I don't know, go for food later and have a bit more of a chill day. But can't wait to explore, so we shall see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we've just got back from Walmart. It's 5 to 5. I cannot believe it already. I just thought I would show you some of what we've bought. So we've got some bread. Got 2 packs of bread for toast and things because Mum and Dad has bought a toaster so we can have toast in the mornings and just for sandwiches for the parks and things. We have got some Fruit Loops because we have always wanted to try those, so we've got them. We've also got some rolls for the parks and things, and we've also got, oh, Jordan's picked up some hard-boiled eggs. We've also picked up some, struggling to get them in a minute. We've also picked up some yogurts. We got some plastic bowls. These are something like $1 each, so you can't go wrong with our cereal and things. So we got 2. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the matching colours. Mum and Dad had the last of those, and we didn't see them until later. So we've got a blue and a black, and some cutlery as well, which is like $1. So we've got some cutlery as well. Then I just couldn't leave the snacks. They were just too tempting. So we've got some cookies, and I'm very excited about these. Some confetti cupcakes. Honestly, their bakery section is so huge and so tempting. I was looking for some pumpkin spice cupcakes. I saw pumpkin spice biscuits, but they were literally a huge pack, and I thought I can't have all of them. And I couldn't see any smaller ones or cupcakes, so I was a bit gutted about that. But yeah. Oh, speaking of which, I've actually picked up some pumpkin spice pie seasoning because I just love making these kind of cupcakes, and I can never find this seasoning at home, so I thought, why not? And then Jordan has picked up some beer. Is this American, Jord? Yeah. Picked up some of this, whatever that is. What is this? Pause, there we are. Got some of those. We've got some Pepsi Max, and then we've got a big pack of biscuit chips, as they say up here, but crisps. And what else did I just see that we picked up? Oh, and Jordan needed a bottle opener to open his beers, so we thought, why not just get a Florida one? So we got that to film as well. And yeah, that's what we've got from Walmart. So we're just gonna unpack now and then maybe head down by the pool. I don't know, but I'll see you guys down there. Hello, so it is 8:15. We've been chilling by the pool. Met up with everyone, didn't we, George?
Yeah, we had a few beers, didn't we, Bev?
Yeah, some more than others. And yeah, we've come back and we are ready to go out now. We're going to go out for some food and a couple of drinks. I think the plan for tomorrow is Universal, which we're very, very excited for. Yeah. Jordan's obviously never been to Florida before. Are you looking forward to Universal?
I can't wait.
Yeah. What ride are you looking forward to?
Jurassic Park ride.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's it called? The
Velocicoaster. That is new, so I haven't done that. So yeah, that will be interesting.
Can't wait.
And yes, we are ready to go out now. So we're gonna go and meet up with my parents, and then we're meeting down with everyone down in reception. So let's go get some food.
See you in a bit.
How many, Joanne? 9.
Hello guys, we are currently in the pub. We've come in for food now, so say hello to the gang. We have men. Let's pass around a bit actually. How are you finding Florida?
Love Florida. Tom, how are you finding Florida?
Loving it.
Had a good time so far?
Yeah.
Can you expand?
We haven't really done much yet, to be honest.
Love Walmart.
Keep it sideways.
Sorry, my bad.
You enjoying Florida? You gotta pass it on. You gotta talk to the camera.
Hello. I love Florida and the loops.
Come on, Chuck, you've got to do it again. What's your favourite food? What do you like about Florida?
I don't know.
Disaronno.
Disaronno and Coke.
I love the English pub.
Happy to be in Orlando.
Okay, so we're too big to all be on a table, so the rest is over here. Very big group of 17 of us all in all. Here's everyone else.
Hello.
Hello.
It's my vlog.
Oh, it's your vlog.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah, you're having a nice
Hi
time.
everyone.
Yeah, to all my subscribers. Having a nice time, everyone. Glad to be back in Florida. So happy.
8 years later.
Yeah, but all the same places go well. So yeah, I've ordered some bangers and mash and should be good. We'll see you guys in a bit. So Megan has ordered a poison apple here
Oh no, that was lovely.
with some charcoal to pour in. So take it away, Meg. Wait.
Everything I've had so far has been amazing. All the food is
Lovely.
Mine's only going
Taste test.
Oh, I'll have to try it. Go on then.
Nice.
Not bad.
Yeah. Ah,
Very
lovely.
strong.
Morning, so it is 10:30 and we are all ready to head into university today, so very excited. We tried to get the free shuttle that the hotel offers, but it was already booked out, so we're just waiting on the Uber now and we should be going over. Another glorious day, isn't it, George?
Lovely day.
Yeah, sun is shining. You looking forward to Universal? Yeah.
Can't wait.
What ride is most appealing to you?
Jurassic Park.
Yeah, that does look good. So we'll show you more when we get there. Arrived in Universal after a very eventful Uber journey. What should have been like a 15-minute journey was more like 40. She didn't have a clue where she was going. We ended up queuing for the car park when there was like a drop-off for Ubers and taxis. She was then asking us which way. It was very eventful, wasn't it, Mum? Yeah, I thought we'd never get here. But we've arrived.
Yep, finally.
Yeah. And there's Dad and Jordan. Excited, guys, to get in now?
Oh yeah. Come on.
And yeah, should be good.
We reckon we should warn you. If you stay much longer, you'll find yourself listening to Professor Binns go on about the history of Hogwarts.
Which, it should be pointed out, is rather fascinating. One book I highly recommend, which is an absolutely riveting read, is Bathilda Bagshaw's Hogwarts.
Perhaps another time, am I? The point is, Professor Binns is very, very boring, which is understandable as he's dead. Yeah.
What one means to say is he's a ghost.
Yeah, well, dead, aren't they? Ghosts. Sort of a requirement. They're muggles, Hermione, not morons.
I said they were morons.
hadrosaurs in this lagoon are among the largest creatures ever to walk near us. Yet despite their awesome size, these gentle giants pose no threat to us. Psittacosaurs, with their curved, parrot-like beaks, are the most primitive of the horned dinosaurs. A group of herbivores that includes Protoceratops and the mighty Triceratops.
This is a nice one, isn't it?
Spiked tails protect these herbivores from savage predators of their native period.
This is one of my favourites, it says.
With plenty of vegetation from their native periods, ensuring long, healthy lives for these magnificent animals. Next up on our tour is Hadrosaur Cove.
Straight
Duck-billed dinosaurs, such as Parasaurolophus. These enormous beasts, like prehistoric cattle, feed quietly river bats and fish. Their powerful form.
You are entering the raptor containment area. Please, stay seated. We'll grab your boat at the receiving dock ahead. Do not get out of the boat.
excited.
Oh my god!
Exactly, det var någon som är back.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Det sitter like that. Give myself a
What do you think of that?
Good job, son.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so it's 2:10 and we have just come into Jurassic Park land. This is exactly where I filmed 8 years ago at the beginning of the vlog for my true fans. What did you think of the ride so far, guys? You said on the Meg? Yeah, did you enjoy my podcast? It was good, and we're just waiting to top up our drinks. Everyone else is over here. Is everyone else? We're all having a good time. Yeah. You enjoying it now?
I like the loop. Yes. Come on, you gonna say it. What's your favourite?
What's your favourite?
Loop the loop.
What ride are you looking forward to doing?
Velocipaster.
Yeah, that should be good. We'll see you in a bit. Don't think that's all right.
No, it's not. It's broke, really. You haven't got any strap on.
Oh, it's more. Let's put them back on.
Soak it.
Oh no. Oh my God, so good.
Oh my feet are so good.
No, it's bloody good. Oh.
There goes that much on down.
Oh, my ass is oh my god.
I can't see.
I go to the other place. I go over. Don't you want to oh, get in for one.
That was the right side.
That's where you're done. Beat the saw, bit shot. Beat the legs.
Did you think of that right, George?
Wet.
Yes, very wet.
Soaking.
You're absolutely drenched.
Stinging.
Yeah. Did we enjoy that ride, guys?
Oh, fabulous.
Did you get wet at all?
Brilliant. Oh, yes. Just a little.
Yes, very wet. You all enjoy that ride, guys?
Brilliant. Nice and dry.
Yeah.
What else go in if you go wet?
All good on that ride, guys?
Very, very
Go
well.
in
Yeah.
that's dry.
Owen's got the worst of it yet again. Soaking.
Loop on that one? Oh.
Denny's breakfast this morning, which was lovely. We all enjoyed that, and we have now come to Volcano Bay. We're excited, everyone. Yeah, having a nice relaxing day after yesterday was so hectic, so can't wait.
If it's a hundred I'll do it. Did you see that? Just nearly went into the woman. Just stood there on her phone. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm in.
What's it like, Beth?
It's actually not as bad as earlier. Earlier was quite cold, but this isn't
good.
as bad.
We
Right,
need to ring
let's
it
get
up.
going. Oh no, lots of water here.
Beth, I'm
It's
gonna
not
get
looking
faster
good.
here now.
It's not looking good. Chaos. Oh no, I think I'm gonna go under. Oh my god, it's not looking good. Oh my god. It's not good, isn't it? Is this the life day, George?
Sorry?
Is this the life? Oh, you got something on your head there.
Yeah.
Harry, is that you?
What?
Harry, is that you?
Harry?
Harry Potter. You've got something on your head.
Oh yeah.
Oh, watch out. Little rainfall coming. Okay, so where have we come tonight?
We're in Hooters on the
Finally.
south side of Adam Sandler.
We wanted to come here last time, didn't we, Dad?
I did, I finally made it.
And look at the drink that those three are sharing. Oh my gosh. And that's Senior Frogs next door, which we're hoping to do one night, aren't we, Jordan?
We are. Taco Tuesdays.
Yeah. The games are all on. It's looking very cool here. I've ordered a grilled chicken salad, so looking forward to that. Fancy something a bit healthy after ordering that. What have you ordered, George?
Chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders. Nice. What have you gone for, guys?
Garden salad with chicken.
Yeah, Mum's having the same as me. And what are you having, Dad?
chicken sandwich with a Texas ranch sauce, hot sauce. I don't know.
Lovely, sounds nice. And just down there behind them, you can see, what's that place called down there? No, Icon Park. And down there there's a big catapult where they launch you up high into the sky, which I think I'd rather not do. And this is all on International Drive. There's sign for Hooters. And yeah, excited. Okay, so here's my chicken salad. Mum's got the same. My ranch sauce. There's Dad's burger. Is it chicken, my dad? I can't remember.
Yeah, chicken.
Yeah, and here's Jordan's chicken tenders and fries. Yum yum. Enjoy.